I'm not really sure of the weight of our errant cat burglar, but he's got to be a good 3-4 kilos, I would imagine. But this one's a true kung fu ninja. He actually came in the shop right in front of us last night at about 7 PM. I just can't believe this bloke has got literally some balls. So now I managed to find some little doorbell type switches and a spring which where did I nick that from? Oh yeah, rear motorcycle rear brake master cylinder. So we've now got secondary warning. And the other problem with the little bar steward was it's very dark over here at night. It's difficult to see what they're doing. So when he's on the board, the light is on, but it's shielded, so you can't really see it, but it's blinding over where we're going to be. As soon as he gets off of there, it means he's either gone out through the door again, in which case the primary warning light will be on, or he's where we want him to be. In here, pissing on my property and stealing the cat's food. The other thing was I sleep in one direction only, and the light was mounted in another direction. Well, that's good. The light's not even on now, but that there is right in line with where my eyes will be when I'm sleeping. So that should wake me up. It should be on now actually, so I'll need to test that before later on. So there you go. Yeah, it did. It shut itself off. Right. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. That's more than enough to wake anyone up. Oh, the other little thing. Just to get him interested, we put the cat food down here and left the door open in the bathroom with the light on. The only problem with that being was it illuminated us as well, so he could see us moving, and he was out through that door like a flash a couple of times in the night because he saw me go to strike. So I'll take the bottom out of the door. That should provide us with enough illumination dans la nuit, in the night time, to give me what I want. Meanwhile, in the other videos that I put up, you can see that I have absolutely annihilated this pair of tyres. A lot of the knobblies have actually ripped off. And although these are supposed to be dual purpose tyres, they're about as much good as a chocolate ashtray. So hopefully in a minute, hey, we're going to be getting one of them yellow buses turning up from Chiang Mai with a pair of new tyres on the back. So I got a lob, a couple of new tyres on those rims, and then we're off to Chiang Rai. I'm going to do some laning with a new guy tomorrow. Fingers crossed. So there you go. Another weird day in my life. Let's see how we get on in the evening. Cheerio now.